In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo design in Canva. Whether you're launching a brand or simply looking to refresh your existing logo, Canva offers a user-friendly platform that's perfect for all your design needs. Let's dive in and start creating. First, open your browser and navigate to Canva's homepage. In the search bar at the top of the page, type in logo. You'll be amazed by the extensive variety of options Canva provides, which are designed to cater to every possible requirement, from minimalistic and modern styles to more elaborate and intricate designs. Once you've typed logo, you'll see a list of both free and paid templates. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the free templates, so go ahead and select one that captures the essence you're aiming to project. After choosing a template, hover over it and you'll notice an option pop up. Customize this template. Click on it and this will open the logo design within Canva's editing space. This is where your creativity and vision come into play. These templates are fully customizable, so you can make adjustments that fit your brand's image. Now, to personalize your logo further, click on Design in the main screen's toolbar. This section gives you the power to edit various elements such as text and colors. Remember, this logo should represent your brand, so consider what fonts and color schemes resonate with your brand identity. Don't hesitate to play around with different combinations until you land on something that feels just right. Once you've settled on a basic design, we can enhance it further by adding elements. Click on Elements found on the left sidebar. This section allows you to add shapes, lines, icons, virtually any graphical component you might need. With the right elements, you can make your logo striking and memorable. Consider adding a unique icon or illustration that aligns with your brand's theme. As a quick tip, when adding elements, pay attention to the balance and spacing of the components within your logo to maintain a clean and professional look. And there you have it, you've successfully created a custom logo in Canva. Before you finish, make sure to review your work, check for any final adjustments or tweaks. Once you're completely satisfied, click download at the top right corner of the screen to save your logo as a PNG, JPG, or even a PDF depending on your needs. Creating a logo with Canva can be an exciting and fulfilling experience. Not only do you get to express your creativity, but you also get to shape a visual identity that will endure. I hope you found this tutorial valuable and inspiring. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.